Hi, I am happy that you're joining me here at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. I am doing your solar chakra reading today to help balance and bring some positive evolving energies to this chakra. We are taking our first card from the Earth Warriors Oracle, and we have Chakra, time to cross the threshold. Change is afoot. You won't feel in control of the process. Trust in what is new, different, or exciting to you. Don't assume that unless all things happen easily, then you must be on the wrong path. You are on the correct path, even if the birthing pains to fulfill it are challenging. You are guided to reject societal norms about how you are supposed to live, or what sort of things you are supposed to value. Instead, trust your own values and believe in the truths that you feel within your own heart. In time, the world will be ready to recognize and benefit from your spiritual growth. The universe is helping you in all ways, including through correct timing. At the right moment, you will leave the past behind you and enter into the fullness of the present moment, opening up to the brightness of your future. A healing process. Stand comfortably with your arms above your head, reaching for the heavens. Gently guide your arms down until your hands rest lightly on your heart. Then continue to lower your arms, outstretching them again as they reach towards the earth. Say aloud, may the unconditional love of Hanapacha, of the celestial grace of the divine, bless the highest expression of pure love on this planet through all systems, all beings, all creations. May my destiny and the loving destiny of the Earth Warriors manifest through unconditional love and divine grace for the greatest good. May Ke Pacha, the lives of all in the here and now, know the grace of divine love may manifest. May Ukwa Pacha, the deeper realms of existence, provide energy filtered through the purifying veil of unconditional love, so as to serve the greatest good of all. You have completed your healing process. We're also going to take a card from the Crystal Grid Oracle, representative of the Inner Earth Cities Chakra, and we have Channel. It is time for you to be very clear on what you wish to manifest. When you decide on what you want, draw on the energy of this crystal, the trans-channeling black phantom quartz will amplify what you need and transmit it. Its special configuration means it is the perfect tool to transmit or channel energy through its tip. Being in a cluster means it is harnessing the collective consciousness of all the crystals in that cluster, making it a powerful combination. The black phantom, which gives its gray appearance, will keep you grounded, coupled by the black kyanite and tourmaline. It is particularly helpful for those who are in service to humanity, allowing you to also channel and tap into all that is. This is a very powerful card indeed, so while being clear on your intention, you must also be prepared to receive what you ask for. Keep in mind that if you send out something full of potent energy, you will receive the same back. Be clear with your intentions ensure that they are for the good of all. What you receive back can come in many forms, so be open to allowing this form to come into your life. Being a wise person will not only accept what is given to them, but they will also act on it. It is one thing to ask and receive, but the power of this gift ultimately resides in what you do with it. We'll take one final card representing our soul star chakra. This is going to be from the Blue Messiah Oracle deck. And we have trust. In this time of transitioning on Mother Earth, it is vital that you stay aligned with your inner truth and trust in your own inner knowing and guidance. Should you find yourself being overshadowed by the judgment and criticism of others, send them love. Detach compassionately from their illusions, opinions, and beliefs, which serve only to limit your expansive true nature. There is no need to validate or justify your reasons for being on the path that you are on. There is also no need for validation from others that you are on the right path. Trust yourself, dear soul, and trust your heart's compass to steer you in the direction most aligned with your truth. It is this path that will allow you to progress and open doors to opportunities, creativity, clarity, and guidance. Raising your vibration, you naturally open up to the higher frequencies of love. You are a magnificent, empowering soul. Remember always, dear one, that all the guidance you could ever need lives within you. Stay true to your principles and always trust your inner guidance. An affirmation to close with. I am guided by the light of truth, burning bright within my soul. Thank you for joining me for this reading today.